I lost my 4-digit passcode. Honeywell Thermostat password model, THX9421R02.
Where in your home is your Honeywell thermostat installed? How old is it?
In entry room. A few years.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
I just forgot it. Thought I had it written down. Don't think I changed it from initial install.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. There are a couple of things we can try. First, try 1234 as the passcode. If that does not work, look inside thermostat for a 4-digit date code. Add 1234 to that date code. EX, if date code is 0919, add 1234 to 0919 to come up with passcode 2153. Let me know if either of these lets you in.
THX. You fixed it.
It has been my pleasure. Thank you again for using JustAnswer to find the answers to your question. If you have any other questions or need additional follow-up, please let me know. I am happy to help. Hopefully this is helpful information and I have been accurate, polite and thorough in my answer. I work for a percentage of the fee you pay, so my income is largely dependent upon tips and bonuses. Therefore, any tip or bonus definitely appreciated if you were satisfied with my help. Please remember to rate when finished. You should see a link on your page to leave a review. Remember that after rating you can come back for free follow-up for the next 30 days.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.